Hello Warriors, and welcome back. Python Dev Warrior here again, and today we're back to talk about variables, part 2. In Python, a variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. This is different than other languages, but makes programming in Python that much easier. It's important to note that variables can store values and variables themselves can change. For instance, say I start a retail business and I want to track my products. My first product is a lawnmower. So lawnmower cost, this is how much I pay for it. I'll assign it a value. So this is a variable itself, lawnmower cost, and it's equal to an integer and a value of 50. Now say I take that same lawnmower and I sell it in my store and the price $100. So the profit would be the difference between these two variables, would it not? So all three of these items are variables: lawnmower cost, lawnmower price, and profit. Profit is the difference between the two. Variables are categorized in what are known as data types. Since these are numbers, they are of the type number in Python. In other programming languages, these are of type integer because they are integers. As we've shown, variables can contain data. This is not all, as variables can also store other variables. One such data type that stores other variables is known as a list in Python. A list, think of like a shopping list where each item, grapes, milk, eggs, cheese, where each element in the list is something you'll be buying. In this case, we can have a list of products, and these are the products that we are going to sell in the store. So products, I'm going to append a new product. Append means to add to the end of the list. A new product, lawnmower. And the variable we added is of type string. So that's it for today. If you have anything you want to add, please comment down below or hit the like button for me if you liked the video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. All right, thank you. Bye.